Hey there, mama. Welcome back. If you're 8 weeks pregnant, you've officially made it through half of the first trimester. Can we just take a moment to celebrate that? Today, I'm spilling the tea on the unexpected stuff about being 8 weeks pregnant. That's right, we're skipping the basics you've heard before and diving into the juicy, evidence based information that no one tells you. Plus, I'll share some real talk tips to help you thrive this week. Sound good? Let's get into it. All right, let's talk about your little one. At 8 weeks, your baby isn't just growing, they're literally transforming. Here are some lesser known things happening this week. First up, the tail's gone. Yep, your baby's tail has officially disappeared. They're starting to look more human and less like a tadpole. Next up, brain overload. Your baby's brain is growing at an incredible pace, about 250,000 neurons per minute. That's like building the most complex Lego tower of all time. Bone beginnings. This week, cartilage starts to form, which will eventually harden into bones. It's like their internal skeleton blueprint is being drawn up. Taste buds are forming. While your baby can't taste anything just yet, the buds that'll help them decide if they love carrots or hate peas are starting to develop. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so you've probably heard about morning sickness and fatigue a million times by now. So let's talk about the stuff that people don't warn you about. So, first up is weird dreams. Did you know that pregnancy hormones can give you the wildest dreams? In fact, studies show that vivid and sometimes bizarre dreams are super common at this stage. Blame it on those surging hormones and your busy subconscious. Also, you have an increased sense of smell. Your nose is basically a superhero right now, and it's not always fun. Scientists believe this is a protective mechanism to help you avoid foods and environments that might harm your baby. Pretty cool, but maybe a little annoying when you can smell everything a little too much. Now, let's talk about pregnancy rhinitis. About 20% of pregnant women experience stuffy noses during pregnancy, even without a cold. It's caused by increased blood flow to your nasal passages. So if you're sniffling, you're not alone. Lastly, there's gum sensitivity. Your gums might feel sore or bleed easily. This is a real thing and it's called pregnancy gingivitis, and it's due to those hormone shifts. So, time to stock up on floss, mama. Let's pivot and talk about what you can do this week to stay healthy and feel your best. Protein is queen. Your baby's brain is growing like crazy, and protein is key to supporting that development. So, aim for around 70 grams a day. Think eggs, Greek yogurt, or a handful of peanuts. Vitamin B6 for morning sickness. If nausea is kicking your butt right now, studies show that vitamin B6 can help. Foods like bananas, avocados, and sweet potatoes are natural sources, or you can ask your provider about supplements. Gentle exercise. Research shows that light activity like a 20-minute walk can boost your mood, help with bloating, and even improve your sleep. Plus, it's a great way to prepare for labor later on. Now, you know I can't talk about taking care of yourself without including something about hydration. So, check out this hydration hack. If plain water isn't cutting it, add an electrolyte powder or sip on coconut water. Staying hydrated helps reduce fatigue and headaches, which are common around this time. Remember to have a gum health check. Consider switching to a soft bristle toothbrush and using an alcohol-free mouthwash. Keeping your gums healthy during pregnancy is super important. Here's something no one talks about. Pregnancy isn't just physical, it's emotional too. You might be feeling all the feelings right now, from excitement to anxiety to full blown, what did I get myself into? First, take a deep breath. You're not alone in this. Research shows that early pregnancy is one of the most emotional times because of all of the hormonal changes, and it's totally okay to feel overwhelmed. Remember, journaling or talking with a trusted friend can really help. Also, don't forget to lean on your provider. If anything feels off, whether it's physical or emotional, reach out. That's what they're there for. All right, mama, that's your week 8 guide, packed with all the things you didn't know you needed. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's video. And hey, if you're ready to start prepping for the big stuff like birth and breastfeeding, check out my Bump to Bundle Blueprint. It's designed to help you feel calm, confident, and completely prepared for everything coming your way. Now, leave a comment below and let me know, what's your biggest surprise at 8 weeks pregnant? I can't wait to see your comments. See you next week for week 9.